student of the General Secondary School number 7 in Exile. And the topic of my presentation today, I choose the profession of a welder. Why did I choose this profession? First of all, the study period is short. You can study in college for 1-2 years, study in courses for 6 months, and become a specialist and get a certificate. Secondly, you can find a permanent job. Thirdly, you can the source of income is high. And fourthly, there is opportunity to get a new private workshop. Let me dwell on the history of the profession. For example, ancient welding methods. The first metal welding before our time in 3,000 years was used in Mesopotamia and Egypt. What does the welder do? What are duties and responsibilities he has? As a welder prepares metal parts, observes safety regulations, maintains tools and equipment, checks the quality of work, and has a high responsibility for the quality of work. During the search for famous welders, I made sure that there are not only men, but also women. For example, Diana Bagotinova is the youngest female welder in the Russian Federation, and winner of the youth championship. As a famous Kazakh writer to speak, I not of say, a welder has technical thinking, accuracy and punctuality, physical endurance, and the quality of compliance with safety should be. Every profession has pros and cons. The positive aspects of the profession of a welder: you will have a stable work, high salary, and the opportunity to go abroad. Disadvantages: harmful to health, has a negative effect on eyes, lungs, electric shocks, burns, and fire safety. Educational institutions. There I consider educational institutions near our region. What industrial welder need? Welder is needed on the fields of engineering, construction, energy, oil and gas, and metallurgy. Need a career as a welder? Of course, it's necessary. For example, a welder. You can become a qualified specialist, become a businessman by opening your own workshop, become a quality control inspector, or become a trainer who trains new specialists. While searching for this profession, I noticed that it's currently in demand. For example, in 2023, there were 1,200 and 1,300 vacancies on the Yanbek and Rabota sites, and in 2025 it increased from 1,600 to 1,800 vacancies. On salary, in 2023, it was 350,000 tenge, and in 2025 it increased to 450,000 tenge. To sum up, the development of products and the increase of infrastructure projects, the increase of wages and large opportunity are proofs that this profession is in demand. Thank you for your attention.